5 easy ways to lose weight in 14 days. Before we begin, these are just some really effective ways to lose your weight in 14 days. However, if you would like to learn more about this and really make sure that you lose all that excess weight, check the link in the description. Now let's continue. Life's too fleeting to go on a strict diet just to lose those extra fats in you. The same as gaining pounds, losing some also doesn't just happen overnight. Every expert will tell you the same thing. Crash diets are unhealthy and just a mere temporary solution because you'd gain back more than the weight you lost once you stop your diet. However, this doesn't mean that you'd have to subject yourself to several months of torture just to lose weight, either. Believe it or not, there are easy and proven ways that will help you burn a lot of fat in a couple weeks' time, and these are as follows. Start your morning with a high-protein breakfast. Nothing beats waking up to a healthy breakfast to help your body stay on track towards your journey to weight reduction. High-protein breakfast is a great and simple way to lose weight because it reduces your appetite and cuts down your calorie consumption. In fact, according to a study, an increase in protein intake to 30% of calories will decrease your body weight by around 10 pounds. In addition, it also makes you feel full, thus lowering the levels of hormones that activate hunger. Some examples of high-protein breakfast food are cottage cheese, oats, eggs, and yogurt. 2. Avoid eating too much refined carbs. Refined carbs are low in nutrients and fiber content after being processed. Avoiding refined carbs is another easy way to enhance your diet quality and assist you further in losing weight. Apart from being low in nutrients, refined carbs carry high calories, and when these two elements are combined, your body quickly absorbs them into your bloodstream. As a result, you will experience blood sugar spikes and increased hunger. Studies revealed that people who consumed more refined grains had more belly fat than those who consumed more whole grains. So for best results, cut down your consumption of refined carbs, such as white bread and breakfast cereals, and instead, go for whole grain food like brown rice and quinoa. 3. Practice eating slowly when eating. Try to slow down more than normal and savor your food. Eating more slowly is an effective method to reduce your food intake while improving feelings of fullness. One study even showed that eating slowly has reduced their calorie intake by an average of 10% and increased their water consumption, which furthermore led to an enhanced feeling of fullness as opposed to eating quickly. So, take smaller bites instead and drink lots of water in every meal so your body can be more attuned to eating slowly. 4. Drink healthier beverages. Aside from making changes in your main courses, drinking healthier beverages is another easy and effective weight loss strategy. Beverages filled with sugar and extra calories, e.g., soda, energy drinks, and juice can make you gain weight over time. Thus, instead of sugary drinks, opt for water as it helps in keeping you feel full, temporarily improves metabolism to lower calorie consumption, and thus makes you drop some pounds over time. If possible, drink at least 1 to 2 liters of water throughout the day. 5. Get enough sleep every night. Maintaining a healthy sleep schedule is another important factor in succeeding with your weight loss journey, especially if you're aiming to lose more than several pounds in 14 days. Based on a study, sleep-deprived people even for just one night experienced a significant increase in hunger and a boost in the hormones that stimulate the appetite. So, try sticking to at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and minimize distractions an hour or two before going to bed to enhance your sleep cycle and improve your weight loss. If you want to learn more and really lose all your fat in 14 days, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, subscribe, like, and comment down below.